Saying market structure, break of structure, and structural liquidity with other blocks. This is the strategy we are going to be testing. So we are going to be testing the strategy from 2024 till 24th January, so we can know the win rate in January. So let's just check. We will just be taking 10 trades, only 10 trades to use to calculate the percentage. So let's start. Let me show you guys the strategy. So in case you didn't know the strategy, first of all, if you're looking out for market structure, you'll be looking out for higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. That is uptrend. Then downtrend, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So let me just higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That is it. To keep going, that is uptrend. You see higher high, higher low. This high is not higher than this high. Then this high now, this higher low, this low now is higher than this low. So you get the point now. That is why they are saying higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that is to look out for uptrend. That is market is buying. So if you want to look out for sell, we say higher high. Sorry, higher low, lower low, 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 higher low, higher low, lower low. So whatever you want to higher lower high, lower low, lower high. You see this low, this one now is low. Okay, low. This is not. This is how it's supposed to start. Sorry. So this low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. If you see this low now is more lower than this low. That is why they call it lower low. This one now, this lower high. This one that is more lower high is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So that is downtrend. So that is max strategy we are going to. So other block, this is other block. Other block is normally, you normally see other block. Yeah, this is other block. That is the last bearish candle before the bullish candle that breaks structure. That is other block. If you see this one now, this structure has been break, so you can regard it as other block. So it's the last move before bullish candle move up. That is the other block. This is the other block. This is what we refer as other block. Let's look for another other block. See another other block here. But all these other block we are not tested. So this is another other block. You see this this is the bearish candle before this bullish candle that pushed up. That is why. So that is just this is other block. Let me draw that block. This is other block. This one is then this is how that block is. So if this one now is, let's say this one now will be downtrend, then this one now is sell other block. This one now is buy other block. You see, so other block is just so other block. Some forget there used to be weak sometimes. So let's just practice. The more practice, you get to see more of other blocks. So let's go structural liquidity now. This is okay. This is the strategy we are trading now. We are going to be trading. So it's after you have seen the up market structure high, then so this is the strategy. Break of structure. We can see our other block here. Then this is the structural liquidity. So this is the liquidity that that must be taken out to the market. This is where the liquidity. That is where the liquidity is gathered. It's inducement. It's also called inducement. So that is strategy. Also the same thing downtrend too. Okay, so yes, so so basically, so so this is it downtrend. This is our structural liquidity. Don't mind how I draw it. Structural liquidity, that block, that block. Then break of structure. Then our sell trade. So that is the strategy we are going to be testing. The more we test, the more you understand. I'm not just kind of the more we test, the more you understand. So let's just get into the chart. So today we'll just be taking 10 trades. Tomorrow again we take another trade. We test it in different pairs to see how the win rate in the different pairs. So this is good. Good. So we'll be testing some dollars. We are going to start. Let's start by so this is December 23rd. Let's next is to January. Okay, we are in January now. We are in January. This is January 4th. So this around here is January 2. Around here is January 2. So let's just start with years. So first thing we are going to see the market is uptrend. We first of all check our 4 hours time frame to see the market structure. So the market structure obviously is uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher. This side now, this side now, this have not. So let's just so you can see it's obviously uptrend. Then let's look for our market structure. This one, if we check here now, higher high, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. This side now is not present. So let's just start by checking out. So it's uptrend and 1 hour time frame is so let's see what so this is obviously break of structure. This is break of structure. This is another break of structure. Then this is another block. Then structure liquidity. But before we do that, let's use our Fibonacci. We use our Fibonacci to check if it's below 50%. Okay, it's on top 50%. That makes it a value. This is the 50% value. So let's see what. Okay, let's place. Try and see if it's coming. So we are going to be targeting trade ratio. So you see, so let's here now here automatically become ours and take our structural liquidity also. As you gather liquidity, if you gather enough liquidity, if you see now here now this is inducement, because this is inducement liquidity. You know there are different type of liquidity, inducement liquidity, this is structural liquidity. You see it, even this was our structural. Take out the structural liquidity and come out and come again and take out this one and gather another liquidity and take out this one. So let's continue. So this again is, for instance, this is our liquidity sweep. This is the liquidity sweep. It's not part of the strategy, but I normally use liquidity sweep. This is I'll use this liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep. That is liquidity sweep. There is fade order block. It's fade order block. If you see, this is other block that faded into. You see that is a fade order block. So you can either take your PI as a fade order block or other block also. So let's then it didn't work out. It didn't work out. So the idea. So let's just stick to our other block. Very fade idea. So it seems like the market wants to start going down. As far if you look at 4 hours time frame, you see the markets have already shift market shift. This is market shift. It's just market shift. The market just shifts. So basically we are expecting market to be here to get somewhere here. So let's look for sell. Let's look for sell. If you see it's selling 1 hour, so let's look for sell opportunity. So which of these opportunity do you have here? So this is fade order block. This is fade order block. This is structural liquidity. This structural liquidity. So let's see if it will work out here. Then there's wait, it seems like we miss a trade here. Seems like we miss a trade here because this is other block. So this is a liquidity structure. This is a break of structure. So let's just see what happens. So let's history. Correlation. Damn it. This thing now, I don't know that. Let's see. Seems it seems like we stick to our cell. Let's check for safe. Come on. I don't go silent. Ah, trading will humble you. This is what trading is all about. Yes. Just got to put you on a difficult spot. Okay. Okay. This is another opportunity. This is our structural liquidity. I just play this one work out. Jesus Christ, I forgot. I don't know that means if how many trade 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's keep going. That means we have 5 more to take. Because it's only 10 trade a day, 10 trade a day. We take 4 more, 4 more, 4 more. Today I'm 5. It's massive, massive 7. See this na sell. Na sell. I can't define by my fine sell. I stick to sell till you reach down here. I can't define by now when that thing that they talk. Try don't die my phone. Okay. Oh. But still, oh, no, no. This is okay. Let's say five, now this other, so let's not deceive ourselves. We're not supposed to work out. So let's say now this is the real order block now. Let's assume this are protected though. This one now our structural liquidity, our breakout structure. So everything we need on complete. So I don't know why I feel so this market. Not do me this thing, not do me this thing, not do, not do. I do, not do. This is okay. Okay, that means we chop this one, we chop out, we chop out, we chop out, we chop this one. Ah, come on. That means this trade go from okay, na the same day, na the same day. Ah, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh, my father. You come here now, in time move. You come here and gather another liquidity. Take it away again. Ah, but this one there is no proper order block here. Yeah. Let's see where this time. It's like we have this is order block, break of structure, then here you are structural liquidity. Structural liquidity. So let's see what the future is for us. Awa, awa, awa. Ah, ah, Katolia, Jesus. Hey, you go, this already, now you go cry. How many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, remember 4. Okay, natural. Remember 4. Okay, 1 interface bar. Maybe see journal like this, I could just the job. I could just, now just stop loss. I could just the job. Jesus Christ of okay. But this thing never reach here now. Yeah, call you. Did it happen? Yeah, call you. Did it happen? Nah. Hey, go to you, man. Wait. This one now, okay, here now, structural liquidity now. So if you come pick up, they come pick up. Because this power, this one our structural liquidity. So imagine the rotation I just did it for you. So, I call you. I've been you know, I did this thing no one. I've been up with the plan go like this. I'm not gonna understand. Hey, Kotolioba. This trading won't chop my eye. I don't, this thing just confused. You don't need, try, that's what this thing just do. It just confuse you. Someone just play no see as the first. You understand the movement first. You see, you just get the you don't get break of structure. This is not break of structure like this. She not the graph. Like this thing now. This one are the other block we call the break of structure. If this other block come to come liquidity, it will best me you. I say I not to dey trust this thing again. Or here now na possible another possible other block. This is yeah. When I hold on, let me upload my system. I don't plug them here na possible other block. Possible other block called cap now called me and another possible then here fit turn out to be structural liquidity. But more the size the P first. Attack am. But still, that's to say we still take the trade now. Assume say now. So okay, we assume say here now structural liquidity now. For instance, here now structural liquidity now. Yeah. You see, this strategy, I need to go to define now. But when I go to update, when I come back, more of us will update this strategy. Most of the update and finish your final stage. You will enjoy it. See, because now here now supposed to put as stop loss. See, you take them out. So so take them out, can't come back again, can't the kola. See, hit the peak. Hi! No. I don't suffer another small. I will three just show me shady. I don't just know direction. Imagine. Come to this one. So let's have them. Jesus, now the things they happen. Nasty. As soon as you now we take care of break of structure, we call here now break of structure, here break of structure now. Call here now structural liquidity now. Put other block for here now. See, I'm go still cut and come out. Child. Just imagine the rubbish with this thing that they do for you. This thing gonna make this strategy the one make person color. Because the next moment you like say they're mad, but you know they're mad. I can't tell me myself without each time. Make a more round them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Then if you remember 3 more trades. Now look for sell. Because now sell. Okay, yeah now. Structural liquidity break of structure. This one has structural liquidity break of structure. Let me just see. Let us see. Just imagine. Just imagine the rubbish. Just imagine the rubbish. Just imagine. Just imagine. Just imagine. This one na break or structure. This one I don't see never see how stupid this strategy dey. This one I see people go fear come say man Mr. say you no wan trade like this. Say make you just dey observe na that day the stupid strategy go just go work. Na the stupid strategy just go work. Tita. You go say you no want say no, I no want those trades today. Those trades today, you go just see the strategy go just work. After you don't blow your accounts countless times. See now. Guy, I don't look for this strategy. The break of structure. Everything just complete break of structure. Structural liquidity. God of mercy. 2 more trade. Don't close my case. Tomorrow we'll come back for another day. Okay. But if I don't see another trade. If anybody tell me say you better for this strategy, make I die. Okay, see now. Make I take. I think see now someone come take big risk now. As I don't catch this trade like this, I'll come knock and better. I'll come knock and as I don't laugh like this, I'll just knock and like this. Just knock and go up. Just knock and push this up. I see some actually. But I was doing Saudi probably. Let's see this. This thing disappoints me. Why this system dey work? Wait. Sean, I know you will carry where the strategy, you will carry this thing again. So break our structure with this. Then this is the lab block. That's what I will do to never see. So let's start. One, move calculate one, win. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4 win, 4 win. We'll calculate our loss. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 win. So the win rate now 4 win, 6 lost. That is 40% win rate. That is 40% win rate. 60, that is 40% win rate. So that is it for this. See you tomorrow.